AMC Upper Primary, question 30. The following is a net of a rectangular prism with some dimensions in centimeters. What is the volume of the rectangular prism in cubic meters? Okay, so this rectangular prism will need to be the same as what's on the diagram of the question. So there's 10 centimeters one from one length, and there's another 12 centimeters on the other side. So 10 centimeters here and 12 centimeters. So this will be very important for us to solve the volume of this rectangular prism. So the total length of all the faces lengths or widths added together will give us 32 centimeters, which is another key point that we have to remember. So now I have this diagram or actual rectangular uh, prism that I've made. This will help us to show how we can solve this. So this is the top, and at the back, which is the bottom, is going to be opposite. So it's going to be here. Then we have the back, and the side opposite is the front. So that's one face away. And we have the sides, which is simple. Okay, now that we have all the sides figured out, I'll disassemble this rectangular prism. Okay, now that I have the net, it's all good. It's all the same, all good, yep. Now, okay, so all the sides would be the same in this case. All of them are equal to each other. So all the opposite faces are the same length and volume. Let's say we make the height of this prism 3 centimeters. This will help us. So 12 minus 3 will give us 9 centimeters as the width, and 10 minus 3 gives us 7 centimeters as the length. So now, using our 3D object, we'll see that top and the side edge that are connected are equal. So on both sides faces, we'll add 9 centimeters because they are the same. Now, using the 7 centimeters, using this 3D block, it's the same as well. It connects to the front perfectly, and it gives us the same one. So 7 centimeters there. We can add 7 centimeters to both the front uh, edge and another one to the back. Now let's add this all together. 18 plus 14 equals 32, and that is what we're supposed to get as the entire length, which is 32. So now let's figure out the entire volume. 9 times 7 times 3 will give us 189, and that is our answer. The answer is 189 centimeters cubed.